Hello again and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week,
trust is built one meeting at a time. What's the most valuable currency in networking? It's not money, products, or even referrals. It's trust. Trust is the foundation of every successful business relationship, and it doesn't appear overnight. Instead, it's built step by step through genuine interactions and meaningful conversations. One of the most powerful opportunities to strengthen this foundation is a one-to-one meeting. A one-to-one meeting is far more than just a conversation. It's an investment of time that shows you value the relationship. It's a chance to move beyond the surface and truly understand the person across from you, their goals, their challenges, and what drives their success. By taking the time to connect on a deeper level, you're building something far greater than just rapport. You're building trust. During these meetings, listening is key. Ask thoughtful questions and take the time to understand their needs, passions, and aspirations. This isn't just about finding out how you might receive a referral. It's about discovering how you can genuinely support and uplift them in their business journey. Each question asked and every solution offered adds a new layer to the trust you're building together. Trust is like a foundation laid brick by brick with actions that show you're reliable, empathetic, and supportive. When this foundation is strong, referrals happen naturally. Why? Because people feel confident introducing you to their network, knowing you'll deliver on your promises with integrity. Remember, every one-to-one meeting is an opportunity. It's your chance to grow your network, strengthen relationships, and invest in long-term success. Trust isn't just the result of a single action. It's the sum of consistent, meaningful interactions. Build that foundation one meeting at a time and watch your opportunities and your success grow. Stronger trust, bigger opportunities, better results. Start building today, one meeting at a time.